kumbaga. Gonna give you a song something from Lord. If you know the song, sing it with me. I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I got my teeth and wedding rings in the moons, and I'm not proud of my address. And I'm coming uptown, no postcode envy. Ever since I got it, prayers in the bathroom blessings, more gas I should know too. We don't care. Everybody's like crystal, baby, diamonds in the dumbbells, just these eyes, I just on the foolish. We don't care. We are gonna be the love affair, and love will be royal. He's running up light, the camera is just ain't for us. We give a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can come with me, baby, I rule. Like a little fantasy. My friends and I, we cracked cold. Oh, we counted dollars on a train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we fight with this. It didn't come from money. Every songs I go to breakers to be the bathroom listeners. All gas I should've done, we don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams. Everybody's like crystal, baby, diamonds in the dumbbells, just these highways, hikers in the foolish. We don't care. We only gonna be the love affair, and we'll never be royal. He's running up light, the camera is the same for us. We give a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me with me, baby, I rule. Let me live in fantasy. Oh, 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 baby, got me up a dream, and never gonna be. Oh, I just get without a care. We only gonna be the love affair, and we'll never be royal. He's running up light, the camera is the same for us. We give a different kind of buzz. Let me be our ruler. You can come in with me, baby, I rule. Let me live the fantasy. Yeah, oh, na, 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 na. I'm your queen bee, you're my king bee. We could be royals. I'm a queen bee, we could be royals. Oh, na, na, na. Once again, look at here at Hiva Drone with Forbes Manila. Here's another one something from Maroon 5. Mas mamaya mag-always na tayo. love is no romance, unforgettable. You're twisted with the world that I am in. But things just get so crazy, little life is hard to do, and I would gladly hit the road, get up and go, if I knew that someday it would let me back to your yes. That someday it would let me back to you. That baby, oh, blind in darkness, she's all I say. Come and rescue boats with me, driving slow and Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. Fingers rise over yeah, yeah. Paint a picture with my hand. Oh no, back and forth we sing like riches in the store. Does your weather seem to get going? And maybe all night in darkness she's all I say. Come and rescue boats with me, driving snow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. Come on. Louie on guitar. It's just so crazy, living life is hard to do. Sunday morning, rain's falling, and I'm holding on to you, singing someday it will lead me back to you. Yes, find a way to bring myself back home to you. I made it known, baby, all I need. In darkness, she's all I say. Come and rescue bones and with me, driving slow on Sunday morning, driving slow, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. There's a flower in your hair, yeah. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. So di ko Miley Cyrus. Built a home and watch it burn. Oh, I didn't want to leave you, I didn't want to lie. Started to cry, but didn't remember I can buy myself flowers, crying in the sand. Talk to myself for hours, sit down, turn the scene. I can take myself instead, and I can hold my hand. Yes, I can love me better than you can. Love me better, I can love you better, baby. Can love you better. I made cherry better, natural statue. No remorse and no regret. The word you said. Oh, I didn't want to leave you, I didn't want to lie. but I could buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my head, and I can be better than you. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I don't wanna let you out in my life. Started to cry to remember I could buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own head. Yes, I can love me better than, oh, I can love me better than you can. Whoa, can love you better. Oh. Thank you so much, Solid Family Stars. Once again, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, my name is Gab, G.B. Gab, together with Louie on guitar. Welcome here at Hippodrome, Whitford, Manila. Are there any songs you guys wish to hear? Do let us know so we know what kind of music you guys are into as well. Any celebration po, birthdays, anniversaries, kahit ano pa, basta po kaya namin batiin. Batiin namin kayo. Malaman lang po namin, ano po ang okasyon dito sa long table na to, ha? Birthday! Anong pangalan ng birthday? Janet. Tama ba? Galing ko, pangalang beses ako nakatama ng pangalan. Natamba na naman ako. Asan si Janet? Sino si Miss Janet? Sino po si Miss Janet? Ay, yung nakaupo. Ay, hello po. Parang magaan ng loob ko kay Madam, ano? Ang ganda ng loob ko. Habang yung ibang kasama niya sa likurang banda nagti-tiktok. Kitang-kita dito eh. Anyway, dito naman po. Anong okasyon dito? Wala lang? Naku, sarap nyo naman maging kapamilya. Lumalabas ng wala lang. Diba? Gumagastos ng wala lang. And of course, our guests over here, hello rin po. Ayan. Pati naman at Miss Janet naman, no, ng birthday song. Kumanta kayo birthday ni Miss Janet. Happy birthday to you. Come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Faster, come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. In-have staff management of Whitford, Manila, together with me and Louie and all of the staff over here. We would like to greet Miss Janet a happy birthday. Thank you so much for celebrating and choosing Whitford Hippodrome as your celebration ground. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi. Dahil hindi lang po ako ang performer, maya-maya po nandito ang Peanut para patawanin tayo at ang Mocha Girls para pag-initin ng gabi natin. Happy birthday, Miss Janet! Day to you. For the meantime, dahil nakikita ko yung ang audience natin ngayon pang gantong kanta. Gonna give you something from The Carpenters. Birthday! Ay, wait lang, may birthday din pala rito. Ano pong pangalan? Ano pong pangalan? Lito! Oh, birthday song ka ulit. Para sa lahat na nag-birthday yan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Siyempre, narinig niyo na po yung speech ko kanina. Yun din ang speech ko ngayon. Happy birthday po, Sir Lito. Thank you so much for choosing Heathrow Winford Manila as your celebration ground. Baka may request ka, Boss Lito, ah. Happy birthday to you. Grabe, ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng standing ovation sa happy birthday na kanta. Sa buong buhay ko, hindi ko pa na-experience. Ngayon lang, dito ko pa na-experience. First time. Baka may request ka. Paano ko po kaya kakantahin mag-isa yun? Pwede ba yun?
Oo, pwede yan.
Hindi ko pa siya na-try kantahin mag-isa. Baka pag kinanta ko siya mag-isa, idinuduet ko rin yung sarili ko mag-isa. Baka may iba bang request si Boss Lito? Yung yung hindi duet. Hintayin natin, ah.
Awan na siya.
So for the meantime, habang naghihintay ako ng request mo, Boss Lito, sa ating Miss Janet sa table niyo po, at dito sa ating long table na wala lang, gusto lang gumastos. Feel free to send your request. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who always cares. Always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the minutes the world has to give, but I've always today without you. So many times when the city seems to be a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you. You'll always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the minutes the world has to give, but I've always today without you. Touch me and end up singing. Trouble seems to up and disappear. Baka may naisip na po si Sir dito na song. Here's another one. It's also something from the Carpenters. You're the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes mornings and says me out to the day. You're the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the medicines I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how can anyone mean more to me than you? Sorry, sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond your eyes. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I need so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration. Just like your love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how can anyone mean more to me than you? On guitar, we have Louie. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration. Just like your love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than That was something with the Carpenters as well. Eh, baka may request na po sila ha, huwag kayong mahiya. For the meantime, habang wala pa kayong request, we're gonna give you songs natin from Ray Valera. Sana di tayo magbago at kailanman nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y nagkalalabahin. balik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ay laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhay ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ay lagi sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Eh, isa na itong sa diversity. Uy, baka po may request na po kayo. Huwag po kayong mahiyahan. And of course, happy birthday once again kay Sir Lito at saka kay Miss Janet. Sa table na dito sa gitna, napaka-espesyal niyo po. No? Di ba, no? Kasi nasa gitna talaga sila. Baka may request po kayo, ha? Here's something from City. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muli luluhat pa ng aking di kaloko. Ang puso kong nagmamahal, kung ako'y bakulay, give you a series of puro ano to, puro OPM po muna kami. Para relate ng lahat. Gonna give you a song something from Jaya. Na sigurado naman ako yung familiar po kayo. Makakaya ko ba kung mawawala ka sa aking piling? Ano ba? Halika diyan mo ay di ko na kayang pipiliin. Kung may paglalambing pag wala ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang dati pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan at tuluyang bayan ay wala namang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat makakaya mo ba kung tuluyang ika'y wala na at di na makikita? Paano ang gabi kapag ika'y naaalala? Saan ako pupunta pag wala ka na sa aking tabi? Tunay na di magbabalik ang dati pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan at tuluyang bayan. Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan? Paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan? Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan? Paano kaya wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan? Paano kaya ang bawat wala na ba pag-ibig? Thank you so much. Hala, pumalakpak naman kayo. Parang ang tablay-tablay niya. May mga birthday, di ba? Di ba daw sila lasing? Ayan. Anyway, baka po may mga request na sila. Sila, mami, baka may request na kayo, mami. Wala? Ayaw niyo po? Tataob ko to. Nagtampo. Gonna give you another OPM song dahil nabulungan po ako ng OPM ng ano. Ito pong next song ay Sunday from Love Dharma Down. A moving on song. Favorite ko to pag nag-move on ako. Eh. Di mo lang naisip kita. Baka sakali lang maisip mo. Di mo lang alam hanggang sa gabi. Inang-asang kinakamuling nagtapos ng lahat sa di naasahan. Karoon at ngayon ako'y iyong iniwan. Huwag sugatan, di mo pa kinabangan. Sana nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Sana nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Ako yung nasaktan. Baka sakali lang maisip mo naman. Hindi mo naman kailangan. Ano, ako'y nagdilito pa rin hanggang ngayon para sa'yo. Lumipas parang araw na unang saya. Di pa rin nagbabago ang aking pagsinta. Kung ako'y nagkasalanan na sana, puso kong pag-al ngayon nagmahal. Oh, 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 di mo lang alam, ako yung nasaktan. O baka sa kanilang maisip mo naman, puro siya na lang. Sana'y ako naman di mo lang alam, ika'y nasaktan. Sana iyong mamalay at hindi mo lang alam. Kaya tayo'y magkaibigan lang. Bumabalik lahat sa tuwing nagkukulitan. Baka sakali maisip mo naman, ako'y nandito lang, hindi mo lang alam. Eh matalino ka naman kung ikaw at ako ay tunay na bigo. Sa laro na ito ay dapat pang sumuko. Sana hindi ka lang para aking nakilala. Kung alam mo lang ako yung masasaktan na ganito. Sana nakinig ka lang ako sa nanay ko. Di mo lang alam ako yung nasaktan. O baka sa kanilang maisip mo naman, puro siya na lang. Sana'y ako naman di mo lang alam, ika'y minarastan. Sana iyong naman ay hindi mo lang alam. Oh, 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 oh. Malas, 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 malas mo. Ako ang natipuhan mo. Di mo lang alam, ako yung nasaktan. Here's another song from Dharma Down. Sa hindi naasahan, natatapong ang di pa uubayan ng bato sa hangin. Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulok ng damdamin mo. Naririto ko, nakikinig sa'yo. Di ba patulan ng pagsuyok na kulang tayong umaasa? Kailangan kanuran, ikaw ang tumanap bilang kaluran mo. Ako ang sasakip sa'yo. Thank you so much, Rosanti, for all the Ramadan. Ay, thank you. Nag-tiktok ka kanina eh. Anyway, we are still inviting everyone to send their requests. Any song you wish to hear, do let us know. Huwag po kayong mahiya mag-request. Kasi hindi po namin alam mga kakantahin namin. Kung ano-ano lang kakantahin namin. Ayan, pasulat lang po sa piece of tissue or paper, 3 to 5 songs para may pagpipilian kami. For this one, gonna give you something from Regine Velasquez. Basta naman, unti-unting pagmamatak sa mga alam at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan mang dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid mo. Yan, gusto ko yan, ganyan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ang aming kumain. thank you so much. And that was something from Regine Velasquez. Pwede na po kayong pumalakpak. Mataas kaya yun. Kayo talaga. Yan, ganyan, ganyan. Gusto ko yan. Hindi ko naman parang inaantok kayo guys eh. Ito pong next song ko, kailangan ko po ng audience participation. Baba ko lang po yung palda ko. Makikita niyo yung short ko. Ayan, but kailangan ko ng konting audience participation. Alam niyo na po, I'm very sure you guys know this one. Here's something from the Bee Gees / Michael Bolton / God. Kasali ako. There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live in you, to live in you. There's a way, yes. Everybody say to touch in every little thing, but what good does it bring if I ain't got you? I ain't got you. Everybody, I want to hear you guys sing with me. Come on. You don't know what it's like. Are you ready? Baby, you don't know what it's like. Everybody now, come on. What? Louder, one more time. The way I love you, thank you so much. In my brain, I see your face again. I know I'm frame of mind. You ain't got to be so blind, but I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a lady, yes I am. Can't you see what I am? Living free for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? I ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Everybody now, come on. What? Oh, baby, you don't know to love somebody, the way I love you. You don't know, no. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Thank you so much. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang sarili niyo. Ang galing niyong kumanta. Kayo kaya dito. Yan ang galing. Sir Lito, baka may request si Sir Lito? Ha? Ang tagal ko nung di nakanta to. Parang huling kanta ko po nito, 12 years old pa ako. Sige.
Sige, pero siguro pwede natin itry. And of course, kaila Miss Janet, sa grupo niyo, baka po may gusto kayong song. Ha? Grabe naman magpaalok si Madam. Ayan, baka po may gusto na kayong song na marinig. Dito rin po sa table na to. At sa lahat po nang nandito ngayon, kasali po kayo. Yung pala yung pangako sa'yo. Yun na yan? Parang hindi ko yata alam yung umpisa nito. Paano yung umpisa nito? Ito ba yun? Iwasan. Yun ba yun? Parang hindi ako sure. Sige. Ay, hindi ko po ito masyadong alam, Huwag niyo pong i-judge yung pagkatao ko sa kantang ito. Pagbibigyan ko lang kasi, syempre, malakas si Boss ni Sabi. Tama ba yun? Akala ko... Charot lang. Hindi ko talaga, parang chorus lang ang alam ko rito. Chorus tayo. Ako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa ng ating pag-ibig. Upang di magkalayo kailanman pagkatutunan mo ang isa lang sa buhay ko. Thank you so much. Hanggang doon lang kayo alam ko. Assignment ko yan, sir, dito. Dito naman kay Miss Janet, baka may request po kayo. So for the meantime, habang pasulat na lang po 3 to 5 songs para may choices kami. Yung pangako sa'yo talaga parang hindi ko siya masyadong chorus lang po talaga ako din. Gonna give you something from Rod Stewart. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sins, ease my troubles, that's what I do. For the morning sun and all its glory, here's the day with hope and comfort too. You fill my life with laughter, somehow you make it better. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day,
thanks and praise to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. On guitar. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and praise to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my life with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Take away all my sadness, you fill my life with gladness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Thank you so much. Dedicated to all the lovers out there, sa mga in love ngayong gabi. Sa umpisa lang po yun masaya. Natawa si Mami, di ba tama naman ako? Tama ba ako? Sa umpisa lang yan. Bakit puro kayo babae dyan kung hindi? Bakit wala kayong kasamang lalaki? Girls night out. Nakatakas ko? Nakatakas kayo ngayon? Nakatakas kayo sa gawaing bahay ngayon? I'm gonna give you another one, something from Dionne Warwick. Sa lahat po, dedicated to all of those na nagpaplastikan ngayong gabi.
Kasi ka naman naman.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, wanna close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can't remember, kiss my hand, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came and with friends are for. Thank you so much, Rose. Dedicated to all of those na nagkakaibigan na nagpaplastikan ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. Here's another one, something from The Journey. Ang isa sa mga, ano tawag dito? Go-to karaoke songs ng Filipino. Highway run into the midnight sun. Veils ground and around you on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Setting all my love along the line. They say that there only no place to start again. Right down.
so much. Gusto niyo po yun, Mami? Ayan. We're still waiting for your request, guys. Baka po may gusto kayo marinig na song. Don't hesitate to let us know. Gonna give you another one, something from... Sino ba ito? Randy Crawford. If you're not afraid of what love brings, then inexorable begins with beautiful things. It's a chance you take, a chance you're in. If someone's gonna thank you, but first you gotta live. The because love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over. Now it's easy to let it go. One hello is how it starts. You might win in love, but lose your heart. If you're not afraid to what you feel, then try and keep it simple. Or try and give it real, and it be it real. Music someday say goodbye. Remember, my friend, goodbye's not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it's also with one hello. Oh, begins with one hello. The hardest part is over. Now it's easy to know. One hello is how it starts. Remember, my friend, goodbye is not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it starts with one hello. It starts with one hello. Thank you so much also from Randy Crawford. Hope you like that one. At habang hindi pa po kayo nagre-request, okay lang, bibigyan ko po kayo ng isa pang OPM song, something from Smoky Mountain, para sa mga hopeless romantic. Very cute to. Very theatrical. Bakit kaya namamamba sa tuwing ika'y nakikita? Sana lang ba'y magpakilala? Ilang ulit na nakabangga, apat kong galay pinulog mo pa. Di ka pa rin nagpakilala. Bawat araw sinuksinta, di ka naman tumingin. Anong aking dapat gawin? ang aking lihim. Kahit anong aming gawin, di mo pinansin. Kailan nakasin ang pusong bitin na bitin. Kahit anong gawin, lamig di mo pa rin pansin. Kahit anong gawin, lamig di mo pa rin Gonna give you a very happy song from Stevie Wonder. If you know this song, sing with us. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute old. I never thought that love would be making born as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she pretty? Truly the angels dance. Boy, I'm so happy. Be happy, heaven blessed. I can believe what God has done. To us, His giving life to one. But isn't she lovely? Made from love. Come on. Once again, welcome here at Hippodrome with Fort Manila. My name is Kat, together with Louie on guitar. Isn't she lovely? Half in love, all the same. Love is nature. Loving it of her name. Loving good of no be done. Without you can see the one. But isn't she lovely? Made from love. Thank you so much for this Stevie Wonder. Cute, no? Very cute song. Here's another cute song. Nasigurado akong alam niya. Very good yun. Thank you. Thank you so much. The night has come. And the land is up. And the moon is the only light you see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Don't go with the sky. They will look upon. Should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea.
And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. Let's go. Stand by me, stand by me. Whenever we always rumble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. Stand by me. Thank you so much. Was under Ben E. way back 1950s yata yun, or 1960s. Anyway, welcome to our newcomers who just came. Hello po. Welcome here at Hippodrome, Winford, Manila. Once again, my name is Gab, as you can see. My name is Gab, together with Louie on guitar. If there are any songs you wish to hear, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-request. Pasulat lang po sa 3 to 5 songs, sa papel, 3 to 5 songs para may choices kami.
Ang simula natin.
Sad movies always make me cry. He said he had to work, so I went to the show alone. They turned out the lights and turned the projector on. And just as the news of the world started giving, I saw my darling and my best friend walking in. Although I was sitting right there, they didn't see. And so they both sat right down in front of me. And when it kissed our lips, I almost died. And in the middle of the color garden, started to cry. Oh, sad days always make me cry. Oh, sad days always make me cry. So I got up and slowly I walked home. And Mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And just to keep on telling her I lied, I just said sad news makes me cry. Whoa, sad news always make me cry. Whoa, sad news always make me cry. Thank you so much. And that was something from, hindi ko maalala kung sino kumanta. It was a good song anyway. Makes me cry. Thank you so much. Baka po may mga request. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po. Sana makabalik kayo. Anyway, baka po may mga request ako. Alam mo, parang every after isang kanta, nagtatanong ako ng request. Suppose baka may request kayo dyan. At of course, kasama yung mga ating nasa slot players or casino players there, you can also request songs. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Nothing but a fool's game, standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down. It ain't right for love to share when you find he doesn't care for you. It ain't wise to need someone as much as I depended on you. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late, hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game, standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It ain't right, love to share when you find he doesn't care for you. It ain't wise to need someone as much as I depended on you. Oh, it's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down. It's a fool's game, standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache. Grabe, ang tagal ko na di nakakanta yung song na yun. Anyway, that was something from, ano pangalan to? Hindi ko maalala. Hindi ko maalala sinong artist. Anyway, here's another one. Gonna give you something from ABBA. Chiquitita, actually, it's in Tagalog, is maliit na babae or little girl. Sa mga batang babae. Something from ABBA. Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. You're enchained by your own sorrow. There is no hope for tomorrow. How I hate to see you like this. There's no way you can deny it. I can see that you're all so sad by it. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. I'm a shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. You're always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken and feathered. I can patch it all together. Chiquitita, you and I know how to hold these number they go and scars are leaving. You'll be dancing once again in the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still, the sky is shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. So the walls came tumbling down, and it loves a blown out candle. All is gone, and it seems so hard to handle. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. There is no way you can deny it. I see that it also sets so quiet. Chiquitita, you and I know how to hold this number they go and scars are leaving. You'll be dancing once again in the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is in the sky that's shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Just something from Amber. I think I'm down to my last song. Last song. Here's something from Regine Velasquez. This will be my last song. And of course, stand by everyone. Dahil hindi lang po ako performer this night. After me, after us, meron pa po, nandyan po ang Peanut para patawanin tayo. And of course, Mocha Girls para pag-initin ng gabi natin. Dahil ako, tagapainit lang ng ulo. Here's another one. Mahal, pangako sa'yo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw lang ang ibigin ko. Kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako, asahan na di maglalaho. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Araw-araw kita iibigin, gabi-gabi kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo Isinusumpa sa'yo, ikaw ang dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y tanging sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw, dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay mapagkailanman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay mapagkailanman. Dahil lang minsan ay Anyway, that will be my last song, our last song for this set, this night rather. See you again Thursday, next week, every Thursday. Dito lang po sa Hippodrome Winford. Once again, my name is Gab, together with Louie. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the evening.